Hi everyone. So, are you tired of dealing with an uneven skin tone and you don't have any solution for it? So, today I'm going to be sharing something very interesting for all the people who would like to have an even skin tone, a brighter skin tone, which will give them a natural glow and shine as well. So, this is an extremely effective fairness cream which I'm going to be making today, which is going to give you an instant fairness along with making your skin look completely even toned. Now, as I always share formulations in the description box for y'all, so the basic formulation will be shared. For these advanced ones, y'all can connect with me for the workshops. So we'll quickly start with the making of this cream. Now here I have both my phases, my water phase and my oil phase. So in my water I have taken some distilled water, glycerin. Here I have my oils, emulsifiers, my skin brightening agents, which is going to help to even out your skin tone. It's going to help to lighten pigmentation on your skin and overall give you a much lighter skin tone. So we are going to go ahead and heat both these phases and we'll make the cream. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases here, my oil phase and the water phase. And now I'll go ahead and add my water phase into this oil phase. And we'll give it a blend to combine. So I've gone ahead and combined the oil and water phase, and here I have a lovely solution, emulsified mixture. Now in this I'm going to go ahead and add my other very important active ingredients, which is going to help to give that instant fairness, instant skin brightening effect on your skin. We'll go ahead and give this another blend to combine. Okay, so I have gone ahead and blended the mixture and I have left this at the side for around 10 minutes for this to completely cool down, and this is the beautiful texture that we have of the cream. Now the cream is yet to set. For any emulsified products we take around 24 hours for the product to completely set and for it to be ready to use. So now since this is cooled down completely, I'll go ahead and add my preservative along with my fragrance, which I have already added in this, and we'll go ahead and give this a mix. Okay, so I have gone ahead and mixed in the fragrance and the preservative, and this is the final look of our product. This is absolutely lightweight on the skin and it has a lovely texture. On application also it is very lightweight and it helps to give a nice even skin tone on application. Okay, you can see how beautifully this spreads into your skin and gets absorbed in the skin, leaving a non-greasy finish. So this is it about the cream that we are making today, our lovely instant fairness cream. And for anyone who wishes to learn these advanced formulations, you all can definitely connect with me on the WhatsApp number given. Thank you so much everyone.